This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Thanks to consumer education websites, your customer knows what it means to have their vehicle repaired according to the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Yet their insurer might be providing some resistance. Are they entitled to an OE-approved repair? If the procedures involve safety items, then a repairer must follow the recommendations of the manufacturer. As a jury recently confirmed in the Seabakken v. John Eagle case in Texas, the failure of a collision repairer to follow a manufacturer's recommended procedures that affected the safety of the vehicle constituted actionable negligence on the part of the shop and resulted in a $31.5 million damage award to the injured plaintiffs. A third party is entitled to be made whole after an accident, which means the third party has the right to be put back in the position they were in immediately before the accident. Being put back into the position held immediately before the accident must include sufficient payment for a safe, proper repair. What constitutes a safe repair will almost always be dictated by the auto manufacturer's repair procedures. The automaker created the vehicle by designing and manufacturing it according to safety considerations mandated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and federal law. Thus, when the automaker expends time and resources to determine the proper manner in which to repair its damaged vehicle, repairers are remiss if they ignore those instructions. In summary, insurers are required to pay for manufacturer's procedures and for OEM parts when those procedures and parts are necessary to safely and properly repair a vehicle. The manufacturers develop procedures for good reasons, to help collision repairers properly repair and to keep their customers safe. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.